The ethos of civil services in India stands for the combination of professionalism with nationalistic consciousness, and you have to elucidate. Okay, so what is the meaning of to elucidate? In elucidate, you have to clarify the meaning of the question, what is the idea of the question. Then you have to provide various dimensions related to that idea, and you have to justify these dimensions with various examples. And then also you have to suggest that how, see here we have clarified the idea of the question, right? Now you have to suggest that how this idea works in reality. So this is the whole concept of to elucidate. So this word only will guide your complete question. Okay, so let's discuss in brief what the question is trying to say and what should be the basic framework of the question. Okay, so first of all, what is the meaning to elucidate? To clarify the idea of the question. So basically we can use it as an introduction only. Okay, so what will be the introduction? That the ethos of civil services combine two factors. First is the professionalism and second is the national consciousness. So these all things will be in the introduction, that you have to decode the question or clarify the idea of the question. So this you have done. This is one thing. Now what is the second idea of to elucidate? To discuss the various dimensions of the question. So now let's discuss what all dimensions you can write here. See, first of all, two factors are asked in the question: the combination of professionalism and the nationalistic consciousness. So two dimensions you are already getting, right? So first of all, you can write that in Indian civil services, what is the professionalism or what is the meaning of professionalism? So this will be the first point. Okay, what will be the second point? Second will be the what is the nationalistic consciousness in civil services. These two things were given in the question only, right? So you can create two dimensions here. Now the whole idea of the question is that the ethos of civil services, that is the values of civil services, are the combination of these two things. So in third dimension, you have to justify with examples that how you can combine these two factors, then they will become the values of civil services.